flock of flame. Walk up, flock of flame. I fuck my money up. Damn. Now I can't re-up, ran up in his spot just to get my stats up. Now I'm back on deck. So shout it, what the fuck you want? Heard he talking shit, but this ain't what the fuck you want. Lock my CEO up, now it's back to Coca. Niggas talking shit, bro. Hang him by the rope up. Hit him with the chopper. Call that shit hot llama. Call me Waka Flocka, aka Young Wild Nigga, aka Young Drug Dealer. Got perk, got kush, got pills, got white. In the trap all night with the heart and soul. Stats on the floor, watch, keep order with it. Shift it to the left and shift it to the right. So us and brick boys got it all night. These lame ass niggas ain't got no fight. Kick in my door, we gon' shoot it out all night. Home for the bridge, tryna shoot with a cake. Oh, they do it, hey, oh, they do it, hey, oh, they do it, yeah. Drug dealing music, hey, I influence, hey, I influence, yeah. Oh, they do it, hey, oh, they do it, hey, oh, they do it, yeah. Drug dealing music, hey, I influence, hey, I influence. One shot, man down, his brain gon' kabow. Ow, that shit hurt, so don't fuck around. But that happened off and on. You gon' pay the life you live. They gon' lay your ass out, rock you to sleep like a baby. Hit squad, shout it in the hood, we got them babies. Ever since they killed my nigga trap, started popping pills and acting crazy. Ever since they killed my nigga trap, started popping pills and acting crazy. Yeah. Oh, they do it, hey, oh, they do it, hey, oh, they do it, yeah. Drug dealing music, hey, I influence, hey, I influence, yeah. Oh, they do it, hey, oh, they do it, hey, oh, they do it, yeah. Drug dealing music, hey, I influence, hey, I influence.
You know me, nigga. I am the block. It's real with them in Waka Flocka. We got the blocks, whips and the knots. Even got the spots, skirt, skirt out the pot. Catch me in different states, bustin' down